what is up? Welcome to another video.
You always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
In today's video, I'm going to do my go-to curly hairstyles for Day4Hair basically. So it's been about 4 to 5 days since I did my last wash routine, so like styling my hair. As you can tell, it's really frizzy, it's looking...
I am disgusted.
These styles I normally do when I'm being lazy basically. For all these hairstyles, I'll be using the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going for a more messy look and I feel like a gel will sleek my hair, and that's not what I'm going for. But if that's your preference, you can always use a gel instead. And then of course we have my handy dandy spray misting bottle. This is my favorite part. I love doing my edges. It's like a signature look of mine. I basically just do little swoops, you know, nothing fancy, but trust me, once my edges are laid, I feel like a baddie.
What's good, everybody? What's up?
I know a lot of people use gel to lay their edges because it's a stronger hold, but honestly this leave-in conditioner is quite thick and it does its job, and it also doesn't leave that shiny cast that gel leaves, and it's just not my thing. But you know, preference is everything, so this is what I like and you might like your own thingamajig, so do you, boo. We saturate the hair again with our misting spray bottle. And then I go in with my leave-in conditioner to kind of sleek my hair down, but not completely. I also use this silicone scrunchie. I feel like it's really good for curly hair. It kind of molds around your curls and it gives this effortless look, which I really like.
Take it personal, but I ain't lying.
And that is basically it for my half up, half down, and I feel like a baddie, you know.
Staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look.
And then for the second look, it's basically the same as our half up, half down. Instead this time our half up we're going to turn into a little bun. I added a thicker scrunchie to my pony because this adds a little bit of volume to my bun.
I'm on hiatus.
And then I add some bobby pins to secure my bun, and that is it. Easy peasy.
I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting a picture.
I basically just use some bobby pins to sleek it up some more, keep it in place.
Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
And now for the fourth look. It's key to shake out your hair, but especially if you wore your hair down low, because this look we're going to have it up high and we just want to make sure we get all the hair to the top of our head. I feel like this look is cute and flirty. It's, you know, playful, and all you do is those extra hairs that are pointing out or sticking out, you take a bobby pin, stick it in there, and voila.
I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah.
So this next hairstyle I call the LMA bun. I really love this bun. It's high, it's sexy, and it shows off all your features. And I always get so many compliments when I have this high bun. It's really easy to do. All you need is a tie and then some bobby pins if you don't like the flyaway hairs. So all I do is take my hair tie, tie it around my hair a few times, and then instead of twisting my hair around the tie, I just like flip it around as you saw me doing. And for the sixth hairstyle, I am going to saturate my hair some more with my misting spray bottle. My hair was feeling kind of dry, you know, I was touching it a lot. And now I'm sectioning my hair into two pieces using my hands. So I'm going to tie both sections into little ponies, and we're going to turn those ponies into cute little buns. And honestly, you can wear these two ponies as a cute little style. As you can see, I'm just twisting my hair around each other and then taking a bobby pin to secure my bun. And then a key to a fluffy little bun, or not little, a big bun, is not to twist the hair really tightly but keep it loosely, and this just creates a bigger bun. And this is the final hairstyle. We have Mickey Mouse bun ears. To achieve this look, you need to do two high ponies. And then twist your hair around your scrunchie using light pressure to achieve a fuller, thicker bun. And then to secure your bun, you are going to use bobby pins. is it. That's enough from me. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about you.